then we go ahead and start removing the coil pack. So let's try this first one. And oh what's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today is going to be a quick maintenance on the BMW 335 coupe, and there's going to be spark plugs. So we're going to knock out the spark plugs and the coil packs. The car is not giving me any like misfire issues or anything, so it's not because of a misfire. It's just that for me, the fact that I just got the car, I want to kind of give it a little fresh, maintenance. Like, I'd already did the belt, and I did the valve cover, obviously did the oil change and stuff like that. The valve cover, I didn't make a video of it mainly because it was leaking and I had to knock it out real quick. So I went ahead and knocked it out when I had the part, so I didn't really make a video about it. Today, we're just going to be focused on both spark plugs and coil packs. I want to be quick with this mainly because I'm actually going to a car meet after this. But before we start, I just want to say real quick, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get to it. So obviously in line 6, got all 6, so we're going to replace all of them. So first, you disconnect the connectors. It's kind of straightforward. Lift this up, pull out, that's it. Pull that out. There you go. And then reach in the back, all the way in the corner. Once I know those are out and free, then we go ahead and start removing the coil pack. So let's try this first one. And oh shit. So we got our first problem. Got a broken coil pack. Awesome. Great way to start. I'm in a rush too. Let's get the others off. Hopefully the others are not like the first one. First coil pack. That's crazy. Oh my god. What the that's number 2. That's number 3. How bad is it? Let's see. Okay. Number 3 is intact. So, okay, number 4 is intact. Okay, let's see, number 5. Number 5 is intact. And last but not least, let's see. Oh shit. And number 6 is gone. So off to a rough start. So I got everything out. It's just the rubber end is pretty banged up, and make sure I got everything because one of them still had the spring in there. So I want to make sure everything is out. I would recommend you get like get your flashlight and look inside, make sure everything is in there. If you're not sure, just get a little like fragments, get like a magnet and stick it in there, kind of see if you could fish stuff out before we remove the spark plugs. You do not want any foreign materials, anything like that, especially metal, inside that combustion chamber. I'm not trying to start with that with this engine, so I'm gonna go through it one more time, double check it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the spark plugs. I wonder why they're broken. That's my question. I might have to ask some people around. Is it because it's been, in there too long? Is it, maybe these coil packs not designed for the power? I don't know, because I don't even know how much horsepower this thing has yet. Like, it is tuned, and but I don't know how much. I was curious how much it makes, but I do have to fix all the immediate issues. Like I said, I already did the drive belt, valve cover seals. There's another oil leak I want to take care of that. I'm gonna do that in the future, but definitely the coil packs and the spark plug, which I'm super glad I did. This is why I encourage you guys, especially when you're buying like another modded car or even a project car, look over what they did. and then see if whatever they did is either removed, replaced, upgraded, whatever. But just make sure they do it right, because you don't want to pick up on their car, drive it, act like it's some brand new Toyota or some shit, and then it breaks down and you're like, they said it was good. So old one. So this is the old one. This is the old COILPACK. This is a new one. This one, this is basically more performance oriented. So this should last longer and handle more power. Obviously, the only difference is exterior wise is the cap color and the brand up top, but it's pretty much OEM plus, you know what I mean? So it fits just like a original spark plug. So let's go ahead and put them back on. So I got them all in. Each and every one of them are secured, well seated. So we look good so far. I do like the color code, the red accent thing going on, so I thought that's kind of cool. But anyways, now we got everything lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. All right, let's see if we good. Car sounds good. So the car feels super healthy right now, bro. It feels better. I don't know. All I can tell you, it feels better. It feels a lot smoother. So I could definitely tell that those spark plugs and COILPACKs, especially the COILPACKs, they were definitely needed. So glad to know that the car is happier with the replacements on the spark plugs and the COILPACKs, but still, as you can see right there, the little check engine light. Well, yeah, the check engine light. Still have an issue with the boost leak. So, but that's fine. That's definitely another video. I can't do much. I wanted to push this car, but I can't really, because you know I'm in the back roads and you know they're driving slow. So basically, I'm just gonna cruise until we get to the meet. All right, deuces. Yo, this shit crazy right now. So I thought I was late, but I was just in time. You guys over here lining up. It's weird though. It's crazy. I haven't been on this side in a long time. Makes me want to get a drift car so bad. Holy shit. Look at the lineup. Get across real quick. Damn, lineup's crazy. Yeah, I think I need to get one of these, man. Bugatti M3 and all that. That shit crazy.